Welcome back to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine has been calm for a long time, but today it's a different thing with Maxine. Someone stepped on her toe, and now she's out. Now, she's saying that platform holders, they are not being honest. Basically, she is saying that they are taking sides instead of just looking at the truth or looking, at the point of view of one person. If the person brings something to the table and it is the truth and it is right, um, they would have stood up and say, yes, this is right and this is the truth. But she's saying that they're taking sides and are not being honest, basically, not doing the right thing. She's saying that she, even though she doesn't like Lorraine or Michelle or anyone on that platform, basically, she get up and she would say if they're doing the right thing, she would have said, yes, this is the right thing. She can't see someone saying something that's not true and give them props for that. But if she does see somebody that's saying, okay, this is, and it's the truth, she's going to give them props and, she's not going to be biased to the situation. So Maxine is coming out for that. And she's called out Dwayne, and other platform holders, because she's talking about platform holders in general, which would have included me as well, every one of us. She's saying that we need to stop being biased and to just be ourselves and, stand up for the truth and what is right. And so she's over there, she's talking about that and more. And you would like to catch this video, you would definitely like to go and listen to what Maxine has to say because it's a whole lot. And guys, please remember to subscribe, to the channel. It's very important that you do, as this is how I'm able to bring you more videos just like this every single day. Now, guys, have yourselves a wonderful day and turn your notification bells on.
Nobody beat Donald like me. Nobody beat Donald like me. People who we see the face, if you don't want to, guys, you can go over on the YouTube channel because the Facebook don't look like it going to keep up for tonight. Because then go try if you do everything what they want because they don't want to hear this message out today. But this message is going to be out today. Most of you platform holders, how no illiterate and dark and fool, Uno just like jump over on yourself, they jump over on yourself, they do backflip over on yourself until you don't know yourself. Uno is stupid. Stupid as fuck. Cause when me hear some sitting where they come out of somehow no mouth, me wonder if uno retarded, me wonder if uno have any sense or not like that. And yes, me go dive pan every one on the platform because everybody sit down over here they wait. Everybody sit down over here they wait for their next meal. Everybody. Early on, me sit down over Dwayne, and me hear them over there they chat. And nobody is getting the fact that Cartoon was cussing everybody on behalf of Lorraine. Everybody picnic get a touch of it on behalf of Lorraine. So if Cartoon want come out and take Lorraine and in Grand Pitney and Steve and tear them from pillar to post, God knows me not have nothing to say. Because they ain't give it to me more than enough. And when me hear Dwayne they play Cartoon live, you have to give people credit where credit is due. You as a platform holder, if you are playing somebody's live, you can't take sides. You cannot take sides. You have to be fair. Who is you now if you go tell Cartoon or me or anybody, oh, don't leave kids out of it? For what reason? Wasn't them the first one who come up with it? Of course, Lorraine are the first one them used to come up with it. So why is them a beat for Lorraine one now? Nobody should have nothing to say. Just sit back and relax and watch the ride. Sit back, relax and watch the ride. Then do you the same thing to Dwayne. Lorraine beat you. Donna beat you right in front of a million people. So what all of a sudden, what happened? You turn Christian? God turn you around? That people can't say what they want to say? Huh? All of a sudden, me don't have no right to talk about nobody picnic. See what then do it for me picnic. You forget say for me grand picnic and my temper. You don't cut off the Facebook if you don't want to cut it off. People on Facebook going over YouTube. Because I'm tired for them cut the Facebook. Go on over YouTube, people. I don't know what they're going with the Facebook page. You can't come tell me, say, me enough to talk about Lorraine and in Grand Pitney and in Pitney and which part Steve Handy up in her ass and which part in girl they lick it. You can't tell me filet far name out of my mouth. Unu can't, none of unu pan ya. Can't tell me, say me must leave their name out of my mouth. And them starty, so make we finish it. It's more easier you don't play the live that you have to go critique it and talk about it. But nobody now go talk about my grand picnic. Them and them come out here fuss and starty. Two dirty drunk or over there go talk about me starty. Me see who them is. Because all them can do a lick click over there and lick your balls. And lick your balls. Let me look free because I screenshot it. You can't come tell me who for pitney me fit here or who me no fit here. Or who me no fit here. Who no be? Eh? Madge Willis. You know name Lorraine. You know name Dwayne. Or whatever, but you pick up people's store upon your head and they come. No come at me a blood clot. You know come at me. Don't come at me. Maxine, you cuss Lorraine grandson for a year before Lorraine retaliate. Put out the blood clot evidence for me cuss Lorraine and in grand picnic for 1 year. Put the ras clot out there. When you know they go open your dirty stinking mouth and chat, put out the fucking evidence. Me no chat to dopey. Me no chat to idiot. If you have evidence that me do it, put it fuck out there. Or shut the fuck up. What the other one? Charm M branch. Me starty. Me start what? What the fuck did I start? The whole of no head so far up in a Lorraine pussy. The ear them off a Lorraine pussy they drop off and no head still stuck up there. Uno head they so far up in a Dana pussy that all the ear off and uno name off every year before no reach up there. And uno head still up there. It's still up there. No can't come and you can't tell nobody what they do or say or anything. Uno foot no enough for them boot. If I start something on social media, uno come out, come put it out. Come out and put out it. Oh, me put out every evidence and sitting and all. No, me can't see that evidence come out when me start for Lorraine Grand Picnic. How me can't see that yet? Uno don't call me name. Cartoon, tear out every tripe or every tongue, every balls. Tear you out if you can't tear you out, cartoon. Tear you out. Alright, over there, when they help him and tear out for everybody. Tear out the back. Tear you out back. Tear you out back. Let me look for the live one I want to play first. You make me look for the live one I want to play first. Where the fuck you come from? You don't come tell people what them fit do. Okay. Okay, let me start with this one here. Because me really don't come out come answer them. Me really when don't come out come answer them. But being as cartoon get the first hand for answer. Make cartoon do the answering. Make cartoon do the answering.
Thinking how I can spit out all cool, all vomits, all rotten meat. Can't use again. Dead body in a casket, rotten out. You die. No call landlord. You over there come talk about and do a talk shoot white and landlord. Like them vibes. You really say love like you love, but when you love somebody they get all of you and everything about you. But just rate the person and you know what? So you just get carried away with the person and they don't know what believe in the person. But they say seven wise and seven to people. Talking to people me no make no sense. Me no make no sense. Why me no make sense? Me no make sense.
Facebook you like go on with yourself though. My God.
Me never cussing off from me own and Lorraine did that tell me for cussing. So why do me cussing? Me cussing because somebody that did me a boots up the person that boots me up for cussing. So me cussing. So drunk or hard in that you sit down now by your platform and say at least you understand cartoon and that is right what you said. You wasn't cussing for real and now you're sorry you cuss them. I'll do you cuss them. Say if you want to cuss me, you cuss them. But don't come over there and talk like you turn me like me illiterate me fool. I mean explain to that big little short tongue, that little done-out tongue, wetty tongue, shit tongue, kiss your tongue, pad tongue, all those used already. I'm not talking like them new in the kitchen or bathroom or shelf. Me talk about the used one, them tongue, dirty boy. You over there so with your big stinking head and stink your head one comb, your head one wash, Chris say your head think, but you're just the way you stuck over here, drunk, bro. But get some hairstyle, dog shit, germs. Just thinking drunk. I mean, here, this went down the wall like unintelligent and just lick out on yourself like literate, you see? Eh? If you're over there, you talk and say at least you know cartoon. You're going to tell you cuss big D. Then you drunk, Jesus Christ, with that little handicap, retarded, sit on one place, shit up self, can't even reach hand, can't even reach one, about to wipe out, but to wipe. And when you used to do to them, I saw no look, go back to one friend, then Dana did the fear how you used to rub her. Well, we have your platform, people can just come sit down and laugh when you rub Dana. And I got the time, let me share your life, how you rub Dana, how you rub out. So when you call her, people have to just sit down and laugh. And when you feel bored, you see how you make them laugh. When you fix all the barrel gear, when you fix all the wheel gear. How do you do to nasty trap at that stinking boy? And me come out and tell us, somebody tell me what we do. And you come to son now and me tell us, I'm sorry if we do that and if you don't want someone. So just talk about, yes, dirty cartoon, you stink, yes, you're long with that tell us, the dirty girl, do it like that. That's why even when Stacey talk or call me, I really a question about, I don't pay her any mind because she was talking to me a long time. And tell me when me they have a face. Say she over there want cuss on class, then there's something else jerk me. That not me. Nobody at all can cuss me if jerk me. But me go tell you my mind what is thinking doing. You're not my youth. I don't want to argue with me. I see that you're definitely humble.
To Facebook.
You over there come call about all the one over there, so with our 10 people and our 7 people, come suplex. Go and suck her. He's a bitch, he's a dog. I mean, I think this is the man and so bright out about what's up flex. You're drunk, right? Both way you help make up. You're not build flex platform. And me build flex platform off a crockery platform. And me used to record the girl and send out her something, go give people for the people something and make nobody know see me. And me used to send her out when Maxine over there talk up the things and them something. They show how long me a come. From she all there Jamaica and one year.
Wow.
When she all at the airport and all of them something. You know, bus the girl platform. She get bus crossway from Cracker Teeth. To me, I know whom. You know, best say me, I know whom. Raise up the platform. But sit down with a little crippled blood clot self, with a little malnourished, retarded, bumper clot self, and go find some soup and drink and take blood clot, castor oil and olive oil and massage up blood clot, join them drunk up.
Wow.
Go and massage yourself. When I say stand up straight, the beard between your knee them.
Guys, when you have a platform, you can't be biased. You cannot be biased. And especially people who plays other people's content. If you are playing my content, And even if your people them did they chat what they want chat and chat what they want chat. Me not think if you really take no side. Because the same stick will lick dog, lick sheep and lick goat. When it comes to Lorraine now and calling people's kids name and stuff like that, that's how you shut your mouth completely. You shut your mouth completely because for your foot when they in the same boat at one time when landlord put up all chimney and all sort of same thing and do you. You come here, you ball like a baby when they done with you. When look, me soon turn off the Facebook one, you know, come can't bother with them and the cut business, you know. When they done with you, you ball like a baby. So how you know if you don't come tell me or tell cartoon what we must say and what we must not say and leave what? Leave what? Leave what? The things them what me want put up about Lorraine and his grandson and Steve, you see. The things them what I want to put up. The things them what me want to put up. Wonderful. Whoa. Look here. Check it up. Come here. You tell me now. What right you have, or anybody at all have for that matter, if you can't tell people what them fi say on them platform and one of it say. And the little old dirty nasty liar them. The dirty nasty liar drunker them what they behind, you know. They take the boots, you know, and they make you feel like say, oh, I'm sitting good.
You stretch out for bait, but you come over here and talk and you discriminate and come go on. Don't look a stripe off of me, man. And come off of me co-worker. Drunk. You little underprivileged dog shit. Crack your teeth. Come over here, so to you know. Me not no time for you to wake up paddle, wake up kiss you. Use. All after birth. I have no time for that. Just show them one place. You have big shock and them somebody have to come move that and dump that. My using ain't nobody league. No league, nobody now par with you because you can't reach to them level, you can't stand up straight, you can't go party, you can't go dance, you can't go. Better go take a seat in a church, you go and push you in a wheelchair, put it in a church, you pray here. Go anoint your body. Don't come, if you talk right now, I'm glad to speak my heart out with you.
Remember, lovelies, to subscribe, like, comment, and share this channel.